name's Nevakara. I'm from Texas, and I'm in Washington, D.C. for the first time.
My name's Elizabeth, and I'm from Arkansas.
Hi, my name's Connor.
And I'm Brandon.
And we're from Denison, Iowa.
I expect to learn a lot about new people.
I am hoping to get better leadership skills.
I expect to learn more leadership opportunities, and I expect to become more socially involved with everyone.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Washington, D.C.
I'd like to say thank you to TRIO for having me.
The theme is, right, sit as one, stand as 6 million.
I'd like to say thank you to you for picking up the mantle of leadership when it's needed amongst your generation and deciding to be a voice for the voiceless, for people who otherwise feel that they don't have a voice. Thank you for doing what you're doing here in this leadership conference. Give yourself a hand.
Conference during the NSLC 2019 was the conference given by Dr. Mackey and the chant competition we had.
Mine would definitely have to be the Mock Congress.
Coming together as a whole, and all of us being diverse, but we can come together and have a good time.
The whole thing has been my favorite experience. It's just been so many new opportunities that I never would have been able to do without TRIO.